Hi, this is Will Beatty at Centerforce Clutches. We'd like to introduce you to our Centerforce II line. We engineered the Centerforce II for the enthusiast with mild modifications to their vehicle. Could be a cam, exhaust, intake, bigger tires, heavier vehicle to that nature, whether it be street strip, off-roading, or towing. Works perfect for all these applications. The Centerforce II pressure plate has been engineered with more clamp load. We have more centrifugal assist, which gives it more holding capacity, more pressure. It still utilizes a full-face friction material on both sides of the disc. That gives you great user control or driver modulation and life of the clutch, longevity. Coupled together, again, this is just a great driver with some great performance aspects to it. While this clutch has excellent holding capacity, it still provides nice, smooth engagement for the everyday driving. The Centerforce II can be purchased separately, components. You can purchase the pressure plate, disc, throwout bearing, alignment tool, or even the clutch bolts. Or you can purchase this in a full kit. It is available, which includes all of this that you see here, or each individual component. So if you have any questions, need help with an application, give us a call, send us an email, or visit our social pages. We'd love to hear from you.